Hello everybody, my name is JoséCantú, and today I'm going to be explaining the third conditional. So the third conditional is used to talk about imaginary situations that happened in the past. So there are things that didn't actually happen, but what would we imagine how they could have turned out differently. So it's like thinking of it as like a what if scenario that happened in the past. So the structure is pretty simple. It's if plus past perfect and then would have plus past participle. So the first part of the sentence after if uses the past perfect, which is had, plus the past particle of the verb in that sentence. And then the second part uses would have plus the past particle. So for example, this would be, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. So like exactly what does the sentence mean? Well, in reality, it means I didn't study hard enough, so I didn't pass the test. But I'm also imagining a different kind of outcome. And then I'll give another example, which is if she had woken up earlier, she wouldn't have missed the bus. So in reality, she woke up late, so she missed the bus. But we're also thinking of an alternative past where she woke up early and she made it to the bus on time. So you might ask, when do we use the third conditional? So we could use it for regrets, for missed opportunities, and for alternative possibilities in the past. An example for regret could be, if I had saved more money, I could have gone on vacation. Or we can use this for alternative possibilities, like for a baseball game, if they could have played better, they might have won the game. This is imagining what could have happened if things were different in the past. Some important key points to remember is that the third conditional you can only use in the past. It's never in the present or it's never in the future. And it's always about things that didn't happen. You're always imagining it or you're always regretting it. So this might seem like it's a very structured way of saying it when it doesn't have to be. You can also switch the two clauses. So it could be instead of if they could have played better, they might have won the game. It could be they might have won the game if they played better. So it all means the same thing other than the if can come also second. So the third conditional is really helpful when you are talking to someone about a very stressful situation, or you're just reflecting over the past and kind of hope for something better or kind of regret an action that you've done. It's a great way to practice storytelling as you're telling a story. It really gets your point across because it truly shows what you wanted instead of what actually happened. So to wrap it up, I'm going to say it again. The third conditional is a way to talk about a what-if scenario in the past. So remember, if plus past present and would have plus past participle. Okay, so I think that is a little bit of everything. So that was the third conditional, and I hope the way I explained it made it easier. I thank you guys for listening, and I hope you have a great day.